Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. Beta, this is your English lesson and today's we are going to learn how we write a list poem of the poem. Our title or the topic of the poem is My Favorite Things. Means write a list poem about the things that you love or that the things that are your favorite. So I will tell you some of the steps. By following that steps you can easily write a list poem about any topic. Okay, so step number 1 is when you want to write a list poem is actually having the list of rhyming words or the sentences that are having the same things related to one topic. To make this list, make a list of your favorite things, as many as you can. For example, if the things that you like, you make a list. For example, in this way, you like chocolate cake, soccer, games, storybooks, rain, or anything else that you like the most. You make a list of that, all the things. So after completing, this is the first task, means make a list of all the favorite things that you have. Okay, after making the list, step number 2 is see if you can rhyme anything on your list. Means you find out some more words that rhyme with your favorite things or with the things that you have made in the list with something else you like. For example, as you write I have write a chocolate cake, bake, soccer, joker. So in this way, find out some more words that rhyme the words that you have made a list. Okay, so make the rhyming words. Step number 2 is make the rhyming words of the words that you make a list. Now step 3 is rearrange your words so that you put the rhyming words. Now you rearrange the words that you have made a list of word and their rhyming words. Okay, by rearranging it will be helpful when you are writing, so you can easily write. For example student, as I write soccer and joker, okay, then when you are using these words into sentences to make the rhyming poem, so try to make that these words come at the end of the line. Okay student, as you see, I make the sentences of both of these words. As you see, I write these words at the end. Okay, boys play soccer, tricks made by a joker. So in this way, by rhyming the words, you can make a list poem. Okay, you can relate this with you that I love to play. Okay, in this way you can make easily sentences and relate that sentence with you. Step number 4, that is most important step. Create an ending for your poem. Since this happened to be a poem about the things that you like, you might plan to end the poem with a couple of lines like this. For example, you can use this end, these are all the things I like. Or you can use this end, these are all my favorite things. This is another ending line that I have suggested to you, this is all my favorite stuff. Or you can use these are things I like the most. So in this way, create an ending lines for your poem to make it more perfect. So okay, these are all the instructions that I want to give you. So according to these instructions, you have to make the poem. Okay.